Actually, in yoga, we can do some exercise like this. Hold like this. Before you doing mudras, you can do some of these exercises like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So forward movement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the direction. 1, 2. See the fingers how beautiful it goes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So hold your hands like this. With other hand, you press like that. 1. I'm stretching. 2. The people who write more can do this exercise more, no problem. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this hand you hold like this, twist and hold. So then I'm going to do this movement. I press with my right hand, I press here. 1, I push this hand. 2, okay for you. 3, 4, push with little pressure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold this hand. Okay, with this you are giving resistance, with this you are pushing it away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more resistance. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, interlock your hands like this. Press this hard, full tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Again. Press this hard, so hard, full tight. You should feel the pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. One more time. Full pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Now you do this. Do you feel easy?